Hello everyone. Today I am going to present my topic function and example factorial. In this presentation, I will explain what a function is, why it is important and how factorial works with an example. What is a function? A function is a block of code that takes input and gives output. We can think of a functions like a machine or a recipe. It takes some input, process it and produce output. Functions helps us organize our code and reuse it whenever needed. Why functions are important? Functions are very important in programming. They help to break complex problems into smaller parts. They make code easier to read and maintain. Also, they help us avoid repeating the same code again and again. Type of functions. There are two types of functions. First is built-in functions. These are already provided by programming languages such as print, lens, and max. Second is user-defined function. These are created by programmer for specific tasks. For example, a factorial function. Introduction to factorial. Now let's understand factorial. Factorial of number means multiplying all positive integers up to that number. For example, 5 factorial is written as 5 factorial and it is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equals to 120. Also there is a special case. 0 factorial is equal to 1. Factorial formula. The formula of factorial is n factorial is equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into till 1. This means we multiply all numbers from n down to 1 and remember 0 factorial is equal to 1. Now let's see how to calculate factorials using a function in Python. First we start the result from 1. Then we multiply the result by each number from 1 to n. Finally, we return the result. This is doing use a loop inside a function. Let's take an example. Input is 5. Calculations. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 20 into 3 is equal to 60. 60 into 2 is equal to 120 and 120 into 1 is equal to 120. So the output is 120. When we call the function factorial 5 is written into 120. Application of factorial. Factorial has many applications. It is used in probability to count outcomes. It is used in permutation and combination. It is also used in data science and algorithms. In conclusion, function helps simplify coding and make programs efficiency. Factorial is a simple and useful example of a factorial. Thank you.